You can use any matte neutral palette of your choice. I'm just excited about this palette, and I've decided to do a grey smoky eye, this shade, which is really exciting me. And let's see how that goes. So I'm going to take this grey eyeshadow. Now I'm going to place this on the center and then start stamping. The darkest part should be near your lash line. If you have hooded eyes, go higher, otherwise just take it till your socket and just make sure you blend it well. Now I'm going to take this shade for my crease line or the transition shade. This is the PAC 217 brush. Start blending the crease. We need to soften the crease. So I've softened the crease. Now before I do the makeup on my lower lash line and my lower lid, I'm going to do my concealer. I'm going to set my eyebrows. I'm going to first comb it out. I really like this pencil by Benefits. I have dark eyebrows, so I'm going to just touch up the parts that require it. For daily makeup, sometimes I just don't, but today my eye makeup is going to be a little bold, so might as well. A thin smudge brush, and I'm going to go back in with the grey, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. Go back in with the same brown and smudge this further. And then I'm going to also use a bit of the darker brown. Now I'm going to put some black coal in my lower waterline. Now I'm going to smudge out the black a little bit. Then I'm going to take some of the black and a thin angle brush. I'm going to just stamp my upper lash line just to give it a bit of a shade, just the outer part. I'm going to take the palest shade and a flat brush and put it on the outer part of my brow bone.